Chainsaw Bob, and several people have asked me about my camera boom. It costs like $4.95, and it's nothing more than a mount for a magnet from Harbor Freight. $4.95. You can extend it or you can retract it. As such, hold it up and film yourself. Or you can hold it down low and film. Just anything that you'd want to do. Very cheap, very easy to make. Here's the magnet that went on the end of it to start with its little bolt. Just took the bolt off, put a 1/4 inch nut in there, 1/4 20, and screwed that on. Very simple. The wing nut is to tighten the clamp. Very easy to use. This is how it's mounted on to the handlebars. Very simple. You just get it in a tight spot on the handlebars. I've got it in front of the master cylinder there. Put 2 zip ties on it. Pull the zip ties up as tight as you can pull them, and it's got a good solid mount. I don't think it'd work in the dirt, but it works pretty good the other way. There again, just simple and easy.